I have been an election officer since 1988, which means it's roughly 23 years. I've served in probably almost every single election since that time.
I started being an election officer a decade ago, and what got me going was I saw a brochure in the library, and I thought that was a good opportunity to perform some civic duties.
The terrific feeling that one gets while helping a first-timer cast his first vote, his first ballot, or helping an elderly person to the poll.
I was in the military for a number of years, and not everybody can go overseas and leave their family, but everybody can go out to the polls and become an elections official. It's for a day. You're not gone for an extended period of time. It's a short amount of time that you can give in order to be a part of the process.
In order to become an election officer and to find out more information about becoming an election officer, you should call the Office of Elections at 703-324-4735 or check out the website at fairfaxcounty.gov/EB.
Please consider coming out and being a part of this extremely special process that we call an election. You won't be sorry.